Welcome to Pure Kitchen. This is Patrick. Guys, today I'll be making pineapple chicken. And this is my pineapple here. And I have bell pepper, different color, red, yellow, orange, green. I have my celery, and I have my ginger. And I have chicken breast. So I'll be making pineapple chicken. So this is how I'm gonna cut my chicken, because I want to like dice it. I'm gonna cut like this here. And then I'll do it like this. So I'll be dicing them in small pieces like this here. So I'll do all of this just like that, and then I'll peel my pineapple and dice it up also. And you guys are gonna see how I'm cooking pineapple chicken. I'll do it step by step because I want you guys to follow me. We're gonna do healthy eating. Okay, we're gonna be eating some healthy stuff and not too much of fried fast food stuff. Okay, guys? So let me finish over here with the chicken. All right, guys, so now this is how I dice my chicken up, as you guys can see, in little squares. So now I'm gonna season it. I'm gonna start with some black pepper. I'm using garlic powder. I use some lemon pepper. Some paprika. Flake parsley. I use some orange leaves. Okay, I'm using oregano leaves. And then I put in some obey. I'm gonna use some pink salt. So now I'm going to just mix this in now and let it sit for about 15 minutes. So I'm gonna let it sit now for 15 minutes whilst I get my rest of stuff together. I'm gonna peel my pineapple now. Apple now. So now I want to cut the pineapple. 1, 2, cut. Then I'm going to do that on here. Because in here, there's a hard portion here. You don't need that. Good. Now I'm going to cut my pineapple like this here. See? Okay, guys, this is my pineapple look like after I dice it up. My pineapple here. But first, I'm gonna put in some celery. And my ginger. Put in the pineapple. Chicken. Cover it over and let it cook for about 15 minutes. So I want to put some hot sauce in here, a little pepper. And then I put a teaspoon of red wine vinegar. One teaspoon. Now I'm gonna put my pepper in now. My green bell pepper, yellow. My red bell pepper. And my orange. And let it sit for like 5 minutes. I'm gonna cover it over and it sit for 5 minutes. Guys, our theme today is healthy eating. We want to do some healthy food for you guys. You guys can see how easy it is to cook healthy food. For some of you who need to be eating healthy, guys, just look at the video and try this recipe. Okay, and don't forget to comment, guys, like if you enjoy the video, thumbs up, and turn on notification, the bell to get all new upcoming video. Guys, and thank you again for watching and sharing, liking, subscribing, and for all new viewers, please subscribe. Appreciate it. You guys have a great one. So the food is still cooking, all right? So I kind of excited for you guys, man. You know that I could cook this food for you guys. You guys could, learn to cook tea style. This is good food, guys. Okay, so we finished. There's our pineapple chicken right there, guys. Here's it. So if you want to just watch the video, you could try it, man. It's a great recipe, and it's very delicious. Very, very. You can eat this here if you want. Eat this here with rice and like sweet potato. If you want to bake sweet potato and stuff like that, it's good. All right, guys. You have a great one.